Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying power and internet and signing in as an administrator. This lets you change encryption settings. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and locate Device Encryption or BitLocker options. If Device Encryption is shown, you can view the recovery key link. If BitLocker is listed, click Manage BitLocker to proceed. Make sure to pause any updates or backups before toggling encryption, so the system is stable while the key is generated. Now you decide where to store the recovery key and why each option matters. If you choose your Microsoft account, the key syncs to your account for easy retrieval. Make sure you can log into that account. If you pick Save to a file, select an external USB and keep it separate from the laptop. This prevents losing both device and key together. Printing the key gives an offline copy. Once you save, click Finish or Close to complete the backup step. Finish by confirming the recovery key is accessible where you saved it. Sign into your Microsoft account or inspect the USB or printed copy to verify the code. Once verified, make sure BitLocker shows as on and restart to confirm normal boot. If the laptop asks for the key at boot, type it exactly to unlock. If the key is missing or rejected, try an alternate admin account, recheck saved locations, and if necessary, contact HP support for guided recovery. Keep calm and provide device details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.